Good morning! Spot UV DTF is perhaps the most premium product that you can offer with a UV DTF printer. It really is an absolute amazing way to stand out from the crowd and to make your skills and products look that bit more special. The thing is, actually printing a Spot UV DTF product is no harder than a usual DTF product. So how about I go through the steps and show you how to create the artwork for a Spot UV DTF print with a 1ClickPrint printer. So here we are in Photoshop, and this is the program I'm going to use to create the artwork today. The things you need to check for is to make sure your artwork is CMYK and that you also have a transparent background layer. So there you go, CMYK, and your background layer is transparent. This is just some artwork that I created for our samples. You can just obviously use any artwork that you want. And we're going to select the areas that we would like to have the gloss finish. So anything that isn't selected will be matte, and the areas that we select are going to be gloss. So here I am, I'm going to select the 1ClickPrint logo, obviously like that, nice and glossy. And I'm going to select the VW from the VW logo. This is just some AI generated fun. How you select it isn't important. Use your preferred method. I'm just going to quickly whiz through this now. Okay, with everything we want to be gloss selected, I'm now going to go over and create a new channel. So on the channels window, I'm going to create a new spot channel. It has to be a spot channel. And this name is really important. It has to be exactly correct. So it's called Spot Clear with no spaces, a capital S and a capital C. The color, that just helps us see what we've actually selected. It won't show up on the actual final print. The gloss will be completely invisible from its glossy effect. We're going to select all pixels in the layers menu, then go to paths. We can create a work path. Tolerance of 1 is fine. And then we're going to click Save Path. The name isn't particularly important. Next up, we're going to create a clipping path, and you must leave flatness blank. Yeah, don't put anything in there, not even a 0. And that's it. That's done. Next, we're going to save it as a Photoshop PDF. And then make sure the standard is the X4 2010. Click Save. Done. Easy as that, not too hard. The paths thing, it's a little bit of faff, but apart from that, you just select the area that you want to be glossy, click a few buttons, and ready to print. Now that will output from your printer exactly as you've done it here, with the glossy parts glossy and the rest of it nice and matte. Easy peasy. Well, that wasn't too hard, and the results are absolutely fantastic. Why don't you have a go, enjoy printing, enjoy having a play, and I'll see you next time.